What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this Christmas tree stand. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the stand, including one thing that you should know before buying. So I grew up with one of those annoying Christmas tree stands where you basically place a tree, someone has to get under it, they have to tighten all the screws by hand, maybe with a like a screwdriver. Completely terrible, right? Just the way that you have to do it. This tree stand is legit, it is incredible, and it'll just save you a bunch of headaches, really. It's pretty awesome. So let me show you really quick here how it works. So first thing you can see, it is completely unlocked right now. And right here is where we would put the tree. There's this nice little sharp spike right here. And that basically will help it so that, you know, if you're putting a tree in here, I'm not gonna do that on video here, but if you're putting a tree in here, it'll actually give it, you know, a space to really stick. So I'm just gonna use this little log that I have right here, right? We'll push it down, right? And we wanna straighten it out. And then basically all that we need to do is tighten up, I'll adjust that in a second, tighten up this clamp right here, and these will start to come down onto the tree. Now this is a diameter of 5 inches in here, okay? So this is 5 inches total that will fit in here from a diameter standpoint. So make sure that your trunk isn't too big, but most of them aren't, so it's not really an issue. But let me go ahead and set it up here and I'll show you exactly what I mean by how it works. Okay, so you can see here that I have the log basically placed. You can see this one isn't really snug up against it. It's not fully straight, etc. So all we need to do is just pump this, right? 2 times. We'll give it one more good one. 3 times. Now it is completely secure against the trunk all the way around. So that is pretty awesome. And then to release it, when you're ready to do that, all you do is push this up. And as you see, it will come out really easily. Now, something to note here is that with this, so this is 5 inches right here, 5 inches of diameter. So if you have a trunk that is bigger than 5 inches, it won't fit in here, right? Most Christmas trees, not really an issue, but just something that you should definitely be aware of. And then there's also something that's really cool about this that I really like. I just think it's a nice little, you know, thing that they threw in here. So you see how they say fill water line here. So as you fill this up, what's gonna happen is this is gonna lift up. So if you're halfway full, right, it basically will say, hey, you're halfway. If you're all the way full, it'll go all the way to max, right? So max is essentially equivalent to the top of this line right here. So it's really good Christmas tree stand. It has some weight to it too. This thing is really sturdy and you know, heavy. Not like obscenely heavy, but it's very sturdy and has some weight to it so that your tree won't just basically fall over, right? In total, the diameter here, this is about 13 inches and it weighs just under 10 pounds. So not like it's, you know, super heavy, but it does have some weight to it to basically just give it more stability. But yeah, guys, we're about to set up our Christmas tree here tonight, and I wanted to make sure I did a review on this because just, I mean, it seems like such a simple thing, right? But it really does make your life so much easier. So long as the tree trunk will fit in here, which most of them do, you will be all set. So yeah, if you're considering it and really not sure, let me rest assured it is absolutely worth it. We love this thing and hope that you do too.